Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL23. Let's get started. Compare, write less than or greater than or equal to for each blank. So 8 times 9 is 8 times 9, and 9 times 8 is the same, because multiplication, which number comes in front, does not matter. So for this equation and this equation, ultimately it's changed places, so went from 8 times 9 to 9 times 8, so they are the same. And 9 times 9, that is 81, and there's 10 of there 8 of 10s, so that is 80, and 81 is greater, so we're gonna have it face open up to the left. 10 times 10 is 100, 50 plus 50 is 100 also, so they are the same, so they are equal. 10 times 6, that's just 6 tens, so that would be 60, and 75 minus 15 is 5 minus 5, that gives us 0. 7 minus 1 is 6, so that is equal. 16 plus 40, that would be 16 plus 40, 6 and 56, and this would be 54, so 63, and that is 70. 70 is greater. 64, and that is 34 plus 32, so that'd be 66, and 66 is greater than 64. This one is 42. Let's do 23 plus 16, that is 39, and 42 is greater, because 4 is greater than 3. 6 times 6 is 36, and 4 times 9 is 36, so they are the same. 10 times 5 is just 5 tens, which is 50, and 25 plus 23 is 8, and that is 48, and 5 is greater than 48. 50 is greater than 48. Break apart each area, then write the product. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 rows of 4s. 7 rows of 4s. So this would be 4, this would be 8, and 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Or we could just do 7, 14, 21, and 28. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says 5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Or we could just go 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. Use the pictograph to answer the question. Favorite sports. So tennis has 3 caps, volleyball has 4 caps, soccer has 2 caps, and basketball has 5 caps. Okay, so 1 is 4 votes. So this one is actually 4. Everything would be 4s. So 1 cap does not equal to 1 person, but rather it equals to 4 students. So tennis, it would eventually be 4 times 3, which gives us 12, and this one would be 4 times 4, because there are 4 caps, each having 4 students. This one would be 4 times 2, because there's 2 caps, and 8, that'd be 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which gives us 20. You could see a pattern here, how all of them are 4s, because the cap is equal to 4, and the second numbers that come are just the number of the caps. Which sport received the least vote? The least vote, we could see that it is soccer, because it's 8 is the least amount, and the it only has two hats. How many more students voted for volleyball than for soccer? So we're looking at volleyball and soccer. 16 minus 8 would be 8. How many more students voted for basketball and volleyball than for tennis and soccer? So it'd be tennis and soccer together and basketball and volleyball together. So basketball and volleyball together, so it'd be 20 plus 16, which is 36, and tennis or soccer together, which is 8 plus 12, that gives us 20. And the question is asking how many more students for, okay, so that'd be 36 minus 20, which gives us 16. How many students voted for tennis and basketball? So it's tennis added up with basketball, that'd be 12 plus 20, which is 32. Word problems. Mike cut 3 pies into 10 pieces. 10 pieces each and 2 pies into 8 pieces each. How many pieces of pies did he have? Okay, so he cut 3 pies. There are 3 pies total, and each into cut 3 pies into 10 pieces each and 2 pies into 8 pieces. Okay, so these are gonna have 10 pieces. 10 pieces, 10 pieces, 10 pieces, and 2 pies are 8 pieces. So we're looking at the total pieces. So we have 10, 20, 30, and we have 8 plus 8, which is 16. 30 plus 16 is 46. Samantha had 4 sheets with 10 animal stickers on each. After she gave some stickers away, she had 37 left. How many stickers did she give away? 4 sheets with 10 animal stickers on each. So this one is 1 sheet, this one is another sheet, this one is another sheet, and this one is another sheet. So she had 40 total, because this is 10, 4 of 10s, which is 40. And she had 37 left, and from 40 to 37, that would be 3. Olivia had read 64 pages of a book that had 123 pages. Find the number of pages Olivia needs to read to finish the book. Okay, so the 123 is the total, and the 64 is the amount she read. So let's take that, and that is 9. Borrow that, and that is 5. So she needs to read 59 more pages. Dylan has been taking horseback riding lessons for 3 months. At each lesson he rides for 2 hours. If he has 4 lessons each month, for how many hours has he ridden? So for 3 months, we know that he rode it for 3 months. Each lesson he rides it for 2 hours. So he rides it for 2 hours. If he has 4 lessons each month, so each, so that'd be 3 times 4. So this 3 stands for the months, and this 4 stands for the lesson. So we get 12 lessons total. In each of those 12 lessons, there are 2 hours. They are 2 hours, so that'd be 12 times 2, which is 24. That's the answer, and that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.